Original handheld meat tenderizer reduces cooking time by up to 40% and provides pathway for marinades to be absorbed deeper into the meat and increasing absorption by up to 600%. It is ideal for both professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. Commercial meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizer has double-sided razor-sharp stainless steel knives that effortlessly cut through the connective tissue in meat that can cause it to be tough. Steak tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. Achieve better cooking results from less expensive cuts of meat with the original multi-blade handheld meat tenderizer. 48 Blade Meat Tenderizer enhances any type of meat, including but not limited to beef, pork, veal, chicken, venison and fowl. Incredible results on boneless chicken breasts, including even cooking, retention of meat's natural juices and flavors. Achieve better cooking results from less expensive cuts of meat with the multi-blade handheld meat tenderizer. Helps reduce cooking time by up to 40%, helps meats cook more evenly by reducing shrinkage. Razor-sharp knife blades cut through connective tissues that make meat tough. Tiny heat channels are created without changing shape or appearance of meat, resulting in faster penetration of marinades. Made of white ABS plastic, the tool measures 5/5/8 by 4/1/8 inches. The original handheld super meat tenderizer, the #1 choice of professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts, does more than just tenderize. Is ideal for enhancing any meat, including but not limited to beef, pork, veal, chicken, venison and fowl. Top reviews from the United States. Works very well. Having used a meat mallet to pound various cuts into submission, I read about this kitchen tool online and decided it was worth it to test it out on some beef, and then other cuts once it proves itself. Wish I had bought this years ago. The first cut of beef was a sirloin steak that had some tough spots. I gave that cut a few passes both sides and a few extra in a spot that seemed a bit too firm. No marinade, just salt and pepper in a 675 grill. Came out great. Very tender and juicy. Next cut was the real test, a hunk of London broil. I made several passes on both sides and just kept going until the meat was tender. Brief marinade in the same cooking method as I would a fancy ribeye. It came out fantastic, more like a ribeye. Thick slices on a roll for a super juicy, super tender steak sandwich. Then an awesome dinner of steak, potato, and rice burritos a few nights later.